Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your 9th standard mathematics chapter. The name of the chapter is the polynomial. In the previous video lectures, I have told you how to find the value of a polynomial. See, if there is a given polynomial, there must be a variable in the polynomial. If we will replace the variable by some constant value, then we will get the value of that polynomial, okay? And variable can be anything, as I have explained all this in the previous videos. In the last video lecture, we have started your practice set 3.4. Among that, question number 1 and 2 we have solved. Today we will solve question number 3 and 4, and this will be the end of your practice set 3.4. See, the question is we have to find the value of the polynomial, okay? We will start from the third question. First question number first and second we have solved earlier in the previous video. If P of m is equal to m raised to 3 or m power 3 plus 2m power 3 minus m plus 10, okay? This is the given polynomial. Now what they asked next? Next they asked PA plus P minus A. P of A plus P of minus A is equal to what? Okay? We have to find P of A plus P of minus A. See, the example is bit tricky, as in the definition I have told you, if we replace the variables in the polynomial by any constant number, then we will get the value. And now they are asking for A and minus A and the summation of these two polynomials, okay? See, I will explain. Firstly, what we have to do, we have to replace the m. M is the variable in the polynomial, so we have to replace this polynomial by A at first, and then we will replace by this minus A. We will get two equations, we will add two equations, and we will get the value of this. See, pay attention. Firstly, while writing the solution, we will write the polynomial they have given us. The given polynomial is P of m is equal to m power 3 plus 2m power 2 minus m plus 10. Now what we will do? We have to get the two polynomials, then we can add them, okay? First polynomial is P of A and second is P of minus A. As first is P of A, so we have to put A in the polynomial, okay? By replacing m. So put m is equal to A in a polynomial, okay? So see, the polynomial is P of m. We are putting m is equal to A, so it will be P of A. Here is m power 3, here will be a power 3, 2m raised to 2, here 2a raised to 2, it's fainted, 2a raised to 2, here minus m minus a plus 10 and plus 10. We will write this as equation number 1, okay? This is P of A polynomial. We will write this at equation number 1. We got P of A. Now what we want to get is P of minus A. So we will put the value of m minus A, so that we will get the polynomial P of minus A. So hence m is equal to minus A in polynomial. We will get the polynomial is P of m. We are putting m is equal to minus A. So P of minus A is equal to here m raised to 3. We are replacing m by minus A. So minus A raised to 3 plus 2 into minus A raised to 2 minus A and plus 10. Are you getting how we did this? We just replaced the m by minus A in the polynomial. See, now we can have some changes in it. P of minus A is equal to minus A raised to 3 plus 2a raised to 2. This minus becomes plus A and plus 10 is equal to, we will say this as equation number 2. Here we got P of minus A, okay? So we got both the polynomials. First one is P of A and second is P of minus A. Now what we want in the solution, we want the addition of both the polynomials, P of A plus P of minus A. So the next step will be add the equation number first and second. Equation first is what? Equation first is polynomial P of A, and equation second is polynomial P of minus A. That's what we want. So P of A plus P of minus A is equal to first polynomial A raised to 3 plus 2a square minus A plus 10 plus second polynomial, it is minus A raised to 3 plus 2a raised to 2 plus A and plus 10. Now if we will add these two polynomials, the answer we will get is p of a plus p of minus a is equal to 4a square plus 20. Okay, see, this is plus and this is minus, it will get cancelled. Plus a minus a cancel. 2a and 2a, 2 and 2 becomes 4 and a square in common, and 10 is 20. So the answer of p of a plus p of minus a is 4a square plus 20. So we got the answer for this. Answer is 4a square plus 20. Are you getting how we solve it? They have given us the polynomial and they asked us to find p of a plus p of minus a. Now what we did, in the polynomial we replace the variable m first by a, we name it as equation number first. Secondly, we have put the value of m, that is variable minus 1, it is equation number 2. Then we add both the equation 1 and 2 and we got the value of p of a minus plus p of minus a. The value is 4a square plus 20. Okay, fine. This is question number 3 from practice set 3.4. We will move towards the question number 4. Before that, if you want it, you can pause the video and copy it down. Otherwise, take the screenshot for both of the examples. Both are on the same page, so same board. So you can do whatever you want to do. This is question number 4. If p of y is equal to 2y raised to 3 minus 6y raised to 2 minus 5y plus 7, okay, then find p of 2. Now here it is simple. They have asked you to find the p of 2. Then what we have to do? We have to replace the variable by 2. Variable is what? Variable is y over here. So we have to replace y by 2. Okay, we have to put y is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. So we will write the solution. For writing the solution, we will write the given polynomial at first. So py is equal to 2y raised to 3 minus 6y raised to 2 minus 5y plus 7. See, put y is equal to 2 in the polynomial. If you put y is equal to 2 in the polynomial, then p of 2 is equal to 2 into, see, 2y raised to 3. We are putting or we are replacing y by 2. So 2 into 2 raised to power 3. Here is 6y square. So 6 into 2 raised to power 3. Here is minus 5. So minus 5 into 2, and here it is plus 7. So 2 as it is, 2 raised to power 3 or cube of 3 is 8. So 2 into 8, this minus 6 as it is, square of 2 or 2 raised to 2 is 4. 5 into 2 is minus sign as it is, 5 into 2 is minus 10 and plus 7. Now we will multiply this. This is so simple. 2 into 8 is 16. 6 into minus 6 into 4 is minus 24. Minus 10 as it is, and plus 7. Now 16 minus 24 minus 10 plus 7, so answer is minus 11. So p of 2 is minus 11. We got the answer, p of 2 is equal to minus 11. This is the normal example. Okay, this is the standard form of example. There is no trick or nothing. So simple example it is. We have to just put y is equal to 2 in the given, the value y is equal to 2 in the polynomial, and we got the value of polynomial. So if we put a value 2 in the polynomial, so p of 2 is equal to minus 11 is the answer. Okay, so today we have solved practice set 3.4. The remaining two examples, which is example number 3 and 4. Here we completed your practice set 3.4. Now what your work is, you have to practice it more often. Okay, if I will teach you, you will write it down, copy down, and I don't know, we will start with the next chapters, next practice set, next theoretical part, and it will be just untouched, then it's of no use. Okay, if you are learning maths, you have to practice it more oftenly. Try to practice it out, you know, on daily basis. You will give just an hour for maths, then it will be the perfect for you. We will stop here today. In the next video lecture, we are going to see the theoretical part about this. Keep studying. Take care of yourself. Thank you.